Hello viewers, another most important question for ICSE class 10 biology students from an examination perspective is arrange and rewrite the terms so as to be in a logical sequence. Today I am going to cover such type of questions, at least 20 plus questions are there. So first is spongy cells, upper epidermis, stoma, palisade tissue and substomatal space. So underlined word here is upper epidermis. So upper epidermis is the first word, then palisade tissue, spongy cells, substomatal space and last is stoma. Second, implantation, parturition, ovulation, gestation and fertilization. So underlined word is ovulation. So starting with ovulation, next is fertilization, implantation, gestation and last is parturition. Spinal cord, motor neuron, receptor, effector, sensory neuron. Starting with receptor, sensory neuron, spinal cord, motor neuron and effector. Next, metaphase, telophase, prophase, anaphase, cytokinesis. Starting with prophase. I have given a word IP mat to remember this sequence. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase and last is cytokinesis. Next, active immunity, antigen, antibody, bacteria and lymphocytes. So starting with bacteria, antigen, lymphocytes, antibody, active transport. Next, endodermis, cortex, xylem, soil water, root hair. So starting with soil water, root hair, cortex, endodermis and xylem. Next, oval window, tympanum, cochlea, auditory canal, ear ossicles. So starting with auditory canal, tympanum, ear ossicles, oval window, then cochlea. Next is chirokinesis, S phase, cytokinesis, G1 phase and G2 phase. So starting with G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase, chirokinesis and then cytokinesis. Next is renal vein, renal artery, afferent arteriole, efferent arteriole, glomerulus. Starting with renal artery. Renal artery, afferent arteriole, glomerulus, efferent arteriole, then renal vein. Next is vagina, ovary, uterus, oviduct, cervix. So starting with ovary. Ovary, oviduct, uterus, cervix and vagina. Next is pupil, yellow spot, cornea, lens, aqueous humor. So starting with cornea, aqueous humor, pupil, lens, yellow spot. Next, stoma, mesophyll cells, xylem, substomatal space, intercellular space. So starting with xylem. Xylem, mesophyll cells, intracellular space, substomatal space and last is stoma. Next is iodine added, destarched plant, washed in water, a leaf boiled in alcohol, placed in sunlight. So starting with destarched plant, placed in sunlight, a leaf boiled in alcohol, washed in water and iodine added. Next is seminiferous tubule, penis, urethra, epididymis, vas deferens. So starting with seminiferous tubule, epididymis, vas deferens, urethra and last is penis. Next is aorta, hepatic portal vein, liver and stomach. So starting with aorta, stomach, hepatic portal vein, liver and last is hepatic vein. Next is pulmonary artery, lungs, left atrium, aorta, vena cava, right atrium, right ventricle, pulmonary vein. So starting with vena cava, right atrium, right ventricle, pulmonary artery, lungs, pulmonary vein, left atrium and then aorta जो हमारा ब्लड का पूरा साइकिल कंप्लीट करता है. Dorsal root ganglion, receptor, effector, ventral root ganglion, associated neuron. So starting with receptor. Receptor, dorsal root ganglion, associated neuron, ventral root ganglion and last is effector. Starting with endodermis, root hair, pericycle, xylem and cortex and the underlined word here is root hair. So starting with root hair, cortex, endodermis, pericycle and then xylem. Next is renal artery, urethra, kidney, urinary bladder, pelvis. So starting with renal artery, kidney, pelvis, urinary bladder and last is urethra. Next is axon endings, nucleus, dendrites, axon, perikaryon, dendron. So starting with dendrites, dendron, perikaryon, nucleus, axon, axon endings. Next is diencephalon, cerebellum, medulla oblongata, pons, midbrain and cerebrum. So starting with cerebrum, diencephalon, midbrain, cerebellum, pons and last is medulla oblongata. Next is hydrogen and hydroxyl ion, water, oxygen, chlorophyll and photons. So starting with photons, photons, chlorophyll, water, hydrogen and hydroxyl ion and last is oxygen. Next is photosynthesis, stomata open, daytime, higher carbohydrate concentration, swollen guard cells, osmotic uptake of water. So starting with daytime, daytime, photosynthesis, higher carbohydrate concentration, osmotic uptake of water, then swollen guard cells and automatically stomata open. Last is Neanderthals, Homo habilis, Homo erectus, Cro-Magnon or modern man. So starting with Homo habilis, Homo habilis, Homo erectus, then Neanderthals, then Cro-Magnon and modern man. So with this I conclude my today's video. For other most important questions you need to press the bell icon. So thank you for watching till the end. Keep watching, sharing and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.